I wanna start with apologizing, guys, that I didn't record removing the fallen roof. I thought I pressed the record button on my camera, but it looks like I didn't, so we just have to take it from here. As I start cleaning up around the harvester, I found things that I completely forgot that I had. I found some kind of a pump, which I don't remember buying, and I also found an old snowblower. It didn't take much to clean up, and after trying to dragging it out by hand, I realized that it's not gonna work, so I went to get my tractor. It was in such a bad position, and I was struggling for 15 minutes to try to hooking it up. But after that, it was finally free. After putting it into the shop, I carefully inspected it, and surprisingly, there was not much damage done to it. The roof, when it fell on it, only damaged the back part of the harvester. As I mentioned in an earlier video, I wanted to change the angle of the front blade. So I added this piece of scrap metal to make the nose a little more straighter with the ground. So instead of pushing the dirt, it would actually scoop it. And now that the front was done, it's time to work on the back. So I lined up my cart to make sure that the slide that I'm making is not gonna be too short or too long or too low. After removing the damaged parts, I was looking for some leftover wood that would be big enough for me to make the slide out of one piece. But I couldn't find any, so I had to make it out of two pieces. I attached the slide with two 10mm bolts. Now remember, guys, it doesn't have to hold much. That angle iron was so strong that those two holes cost me 4 drill bits. So I secured the slide with my two bolts, and the only thing left to do is to attach the two side panels. Now that it's all done, I just have to wait a couple more weeks for the potato to be ready for harvest. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss that video.